Good, y'all. Went and caught some fresh crabs yesterday and today. You know, went to Fort Smallwood, my second time, third time there. Caught like 6 blue crabs, Maryland crabs. Right now we're making like a court bouillon liquid to cook the crabs in. Got some lemons in here. Ooh.
Got a squirter.
Got a squirter for sure. God damn. Making a little court bouillon right here to cook the crabs in. We haven't cleaned the crabs yet, but we're gonna add some potatoes, eggs, corn, you know, make a nice little butter sauce to go with it. Let me grab the crabs for y'all real quick. We got some of these crabs right here. You know what they say, the dirtier the better. You know, monster. Monster, look at that joint. Crazy. We're gonna clean these off, right? We're gonna clean these off in a second. We're gonna get the water going. So we got 2 things going at once. We're gonna poach these off, right? So y'all stay tuned. Season it up till our ancestors tell you to stop.
That's right.
You know what I mean?
Sea salt at that.
Of course, sea salt.
Morton's only. Sir.
Right.
That's it. Bye, we'll be back. And always taste to see if you like it.
Alright guys, so we're gonna rinse these out. We're gonna rinse these out, guys. Oh, there they go. There they go, y'all.
Jiggling, wiggling. Look at that. Pretty ass blue. Carolina blue in Maryland.
Let's see that.
Wow. This is Charlie. We call him Chuck for short.
Trying to figure out how to get his ass without him getting me.
Oh my god. Ooh, oh my god. He's trying to escape.
He definitely is, man.
Oh my god. Baby. You got a stage 5 clinger.
Oh shit. He's trying to let go. Hey yo. We're gonna title this part. I'm gonna add some butter to this court bouillon, right? Boom. We're gonna melt that in. You know, the more butter, the better. The more butter. What did I just say? The more butter, the better. The more butter, the better. You know, we're gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Drinking, y'all.
We're gonna add a little bit more to it. Bang, good to go. We're gonna use this other half for the sauce we're gonna make to add to the crabs once they're cooked, right?
Yum.
So we're gonna turn this heat up on that.
Heat's turned up. And we're stirring.
There it is.
Stirring.
Get it incorporated a little faster.
Y'all gotta have strong wrists for this.
Yeah, tell your neighborhood trapper that, you know. You got somebody that make it lock up real quick, you know. Yesterday's price, not today's price. You gotta know that. Alright. They got peppercorn.
Pepper.
And all types of herbs in this, right?
Always taste test.
Yeah.
It's hitting now.
Yeah. To be honest, to be truly honest, guys, this is my first time. I purchased this today to use. Right? Added some lemons and everything like that.
It's splash. It's messing up.
I'm not a fan of this. I am not a fan.
Don't recommend.
Yeah, so it was just you know, something to try. See, I see all these different.
And it was my fault, y'all. I told him to get that one because it was 50 cents cheaper than the McCormick's.
Yeah, we're gonna try McCormick's next time. So.
But it was my money, so I saved $1.
Yep. So we have some corn right here. Right. I'm gonna just cut it into thirds. Right.
What kind of knife are you using?
Basic kitchen knife, you know, little chef knife type thing.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn this up, bring it to a rolling boil. We're gonna wait for it to, it's on high
It's
right
on
now.
high,
We're
y'all.
at 6 high right now. We're gonna wait for it to like get up to like.
Start to bubble. Bubbling. See the bubbles? Got that bubbly.
It look like that. And then we're gonna throw the, I'm not cutting my potatoes just so it doesn't get too soft. I'm gonna keep it whole. We got the small
Little red potatoes.
red potatoes and
That's
like
perfect.
a little
Little
nice
bite
tricolor.
size.
Yeah, nice little tricolor one. So it's coming to a boil. Right?
And you already washed this, right?
Everything is
Yes.
washed.
Wash your fruits and vegetables, people, and don't burn your fingers. Oh, y'all.
So
And always wash your dishes as you go.
definitely.
A lot easier to do than save them all for the end. We got
And-
Chef over here washing.
Yep, pick and wash. Don't be too proud to wash your dishes, man.
That's right. Or get you a dishwasher as you go, but wash.
My dishwasher's currently recording right now, so you know. You gotta do it. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah. So we're gonna let that cook for a bit, then we're gonna take it out. We're gonna take it out and then we're gonna add the
Show the people how you were cutting.
so we got this is a half a thing of onions right here, julienne. You know, or you could do it. You could dice it up, julienne. It don't matter. I did like nice little thin julienne pieces, so that's good to go. Let's get that in here.
Excuse the Tupperware, it is clean.
Yeah, we just be cooking and
We just
storing,
use
cooking
our
and storing. You know
Tupperware.
what I'm saying? Cooking and storing, man.
This is looking and smelling good.
Add the sausage in there. Right.
Bow, 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 bow. Y'all, just look at the flavor. Look at the flavor.
A couple of eggs
Add
in
your
there.
eggs. Shout out to Costco, 24 pack.
Right. Let these cook for like 10 to 12 minutes. How many was that? Was it like 4?
I don't know. Let's do one more to even it out. Yeah.
I end up doing the whole onion. Lots of toes. So I end up doing the whole onion.
Now you wear closed-toe shoes and slip it.
Yeah, so we're gonna saute these up. So I'm gonna do like a teaspoon. You know, a little bit of garlic goes a long way. We're gonna add some pepper flakes also. There's some little heat in there. I didn't have cayenne pepper, so we're gonna do pepper flakes. Right. That's out the way. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, guys, but we back in stock with the blackened seasoning on my website, herdcreations.square.site. Once again, herdcreations.square.site. Check me out on YouTube if you haven't already, Behind the Line with ChefBiz.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, share, all that stuff. At ChefBiz on Instagram, and then I have these in some of the stores in Maryland right now. So check it out if you don't see it. Once again, herdcreations.square.site. Get yours now. Get two, you might get a deal. All right. But I have a mix of spices right here that we're gonna add to this butter, mix right here, right? So we got the garlic, onions, and pepper flakes in here. I might do a little more pepper flakes because I'm not, seeing it too much, This
A little
will
slight.
This so I get like the
You
spice
want
I want.
a little heat.
Yeah, just a little,
A nice little kick.
some of that. All right.
Just dump the whole thing. It's like, no.
Your mom gonna say, this thing's spicy. So I just add a little bit more. It's about a tablespoon and a quarter. Right. Add it to it. Yeah, and I'm saying in this container, I have oregano, Italian seasoning, some Old Bay paprika. I also have some lemon pepper seasoning, right? And I have other stuff. Looks like chili powder. I have accents. I'm not sure if everybody what accent is. I got accent in it also. Italian seasoning also in there.
You do Lowry?
I need to add. I just need to add some.
Lemon pepper.
Yeah, lemon pepper.
Regular pepper.
Add some,
Pepper pig.
add some black pepper to it too.
Y'all, and don't forget our sausages over here.
Right.
That's cooking. Bowling. Oh, and the eggs.
Yeah, it's about 10 minutes, so they just about ready to go out. Ready to come out. We're gonna let that go.
What's the setup there? What's the setup for me? Got some rice going back there. This is a rice eating man. Oh, I didn't put the lid on it. And the rice.
Boom. I'm gonna add some more water to this just because some of that water cooked out. I think it was the sausage in there floating around.
A floating sausage. Y'all, it's getting translucent. Transparent?
Translucent's good.
Translucent.
Good. Also, when y'all get these full pans, just a heads up, don't hold it at the bottom because it's gonna be hot. So hold it at the side. If you do hold it at the bottom, just make sure you have a towel in your hand, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Look at the color. Look at that color.
So we're gonna let that come back to a boil, then we're gonna add the crabs in there just so they put them out there fast.
Wow, it is animal cruelty. The ASPCA is gonna get us.
Oh, and I'm gonna put some brown sugar in this mix also. So pretty much I did like a tablespoon of each thing. Of all the seasoning I told you guys earlier, a tablespoon of each thing. So, you know, that's about a tablespoon right there. Wow.
So bow.
We still washing as we go, so we ain't got too much to do right now. Besides maybe shower. So I'm gonna add all those
Get it all.
beautiful spice medley in there.
I like that spice medley.
Yeah, you got a little bit of black seasoning there too. I got to tell you.
No salt added.
No salt added in the black seasoning, so.
Y'all, look at that. I just want to eat that over some rice. That looks.
You got everything? Record?
That's baby. There's always one trying to get away. Not today, Charlie. It's time for night, bitch. Y'all, they die quickly. They gonna taste good.
About ready. See it?
Oh, look at that color, y'all. These were blue. These gave blue vibes not too long ago. Hi, friend.
Oh, she's still out. So alright, now the sauce is done. We're gonna take them out and drizzle all of this sauce.
Look at that, y'all. Y'all, that's it.
We got this right here.
Took our eggs out.
Yep.
And babe counted correctly, 6 eggs.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that looks delicious.
Oh, man.
I'm all in the video.
That might be knocking on your door tonight.
I know.
Oh, man. Better call me a couple hours early.
You said what happened?
Oh shoot, my phone just died.
I was like, they comes about to be the back.
I know.
Oh, miss.
Definitely gonna have to cover that up.
That's funny how that miss with that joint. Oh man. Hey, yo, that chill. Gang. Y'all see it. Catch and Cook with Chef Biz, man. Make sure you guys subscribe. to the channel. Right, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Like, comment down below if you eat crabs. Comment down below if you go crabbing. If you go crabbing a lot, let me know. If you ever been crabbing, let me know. Let me know what's the best time to go crabbing. What's the best time for you when y'all go crabbing. How it turned out for you guys. You know, 2 days, caught 6 crabs. You know, so it was good. I'd rather leave with something than nothing. But don't forget, once again, grab y'all Herd season. This was used in this dish in the sauce, so make sure y'all get y'all Herd season at herdcreations.square.site. Once again, it's herdcreations.square.site, and then make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. All right, one love.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel,
ChefBiz.
YouTube ChefBiz. Period.